Today, on Heroes of History, we honor Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. Born on May 12, 1820, in Florence, Italy, Nightingale defied societal expectations by pursuing a career in nursing. During the Crimean War, she organized care for wounded soldiers and dramatically improved sanitary conditions in hospitals, reducing the death rate significantly. Her work laid the groundwork for professional nursing as we know it today. Nightingale was known as the Lady with the Lamp for her habit of making rounds at night to check on her patients. Did you know that she was also a pioneer in the use of statistics, using data visualization to advocate for healthcare reforms?